After graduating as an engineer, I became a financial planner, running my own much-loved and successful firm for 20 years. I enjoyed electrifying our own homes so much, I sold the business to allow me to set up Electrify My Home. We installed solar panels because someone we trusted said it was a good idea. They were right. Those panels have paid for themselves several times over. We'd been talking about going electric for a while, but we weren't convinced a heat pump would suit our home. The Tepio Zeb heat battery required far less disruption, cost less, and had strong reviews. We did our research and, with hindsight, took a leap of faith. It worked brilliantly. In early 2022, we swapped our diesel Jeep for a Hyundai EV. The running cost savings were obvious. As a lifelong petrol head, it took me a bit longer to switch my own car, but I did in 2023. And between the two EVs, we've now driven more than 85,000 miles on electricity. A second battery followed in 2024, taking us to 18 kilowatt hours. We sold our much-loved financial planning business in March 24 so we could build what has become Electrify My Home. By June 25, with British summers getting hotter, we installed air conditioning in the lounge and bedrooms. It was an inspired decision. Cool summers powered by the panels and wonderfully efficient heating in winter. And finally, in early 26, we launched Electrify My Home. One goal, one objective, one mission. Embrace the home energy revolution to drive down energy bills, motoring costs and pollution.